Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope that you are fine and fit by the grace of mercy of Almighty Allah. I'm pretty great by the grace of mercy of Almighty Allah. It's me Muhammad Abdullah Al Mamun. I'm a student of Paspir Degree College as well as I am English learner as well as I am English video creator because I love English language. For that I always practice my English language every single day. Once again before you right now I am staying here in my own potato field. It is so amazing for me because after long days I'm staying here in this place and I'm practicing my English language every single okay. After long days I was cultivate some potato. It is so amazing for me. I know that potato are so delicious and costly product in our Bangladesh. For that I was cultivate some potato. It is so good for me okay. I have been thinking since morning I will come here in this place and I will make my new brand content. Finally I have come here in this place and I'm practicing my English language every single okay. I know that English is hard language for us. Why English is hard language for us? Because we are not practicing our English language every single okay. I know that when I was beginner that time I didn't make any sentence and I couldn't make any sentence properly and I couldn't make sentence properly. It is so bad for me okay. That time I was crazy to learn English. For that I started my English journey and I have been practicing my English language last 8 months. It is so good for me okay. When I was beginner that time I couldn't make any sentence. Now I can English but I can't English properly because I'm not fluent in English, and I hope that and I believe that success will come definitely. For that I always practice and I always making my new brand content okay. As you can see, this is my own potato field. I have been working in my potato field last 3 days. It is so good for me okay. I know that potato are so costly and precious product in our Bangladesh. Its price very high okay. 1 kg potato price 60 money in our Ulipur Upazila. It is so good for me okay. Today's weather is very normal, foggy morning, foggy afternoon in our village. No sun rising over there, the sun is getting down. It is so good for me okay. And now over there are so many houses but I can't see every houses properly because Bangladesh is an agricultural country and Bangladesh is a poor country in our than others country, and in our Bangladesh is very poor country okay. Right now over there is one potato field. This is my elder uncle's potato field. It is so amazing to see because there is one small potato field in our village. It is so amazing for me okay. Over there is one main road, Patilapur to Bakorhat main road. Every person go Ulipur market and every person go Bakorhat market in this road. It is so amazing for me okay. Now every person inspire me and every person love me. You are doing good and you will be good speaker your village and you will shine your life. It is so good for me because I'm practicing my English language every single okay. Now as you can see there are so many trees but I can't see every trees properly. As you can see, this is over there is one small bridge. It is so amazing for me okay. Everyone pray for me and everyone suggest me how I can improve my speaking skill, how I can develop my learning English okay. Sometimes every person comment me how we can improve our speaking skill, how we can develop our learning English okay. I always suggest you have to practice every single day. Number 1, you have to practice your basic grammar every single day. Number 2, and you can record your own content every time and every moment. Number 3, you have to practice your vocabulary every single day. Then you will improve your speaking skill very soon okay. when I was beginner, that time I used to follow some native speaker, and I used to follow some videos on my Facebook page, on my YouTube channel. That time I was crazy to learn English. For that I have been practicing my English language last 8 months. It is so good for me. Okay, I'm not wasting my time because I'm very busy with my daily activities. For that I can't English properly, and I cannot make English video every single. Okay, it is so bad for me. Okay, I know that I will success in my life. It is so amazing for me. Okay, no more longer. Thanks for watching this video. Keep enjoying, keep learning. Assalamu alaikum. Allah Hafiz.